know what the deal is, man. You know what it is, man. It's Rich CP3. Hey, if y'all want to cash out on this steering wheel, let me know, man. DM me or whatever. Comment on it. I'll sell it for $500, man. It's the heated steering wheel, like shit, 10-10 condition, man. Shit crispy, clean, no airbag. Feel me? Shit, let me know, man. I can buy it right now. $500, clean. Yeah, I'm about to upgrade the steering wheel. I got the LED steering wheel. Swapping out the steering wheel right now. Yes, sir. Gotta put the LED boy in. It's your boy CP3 tapping back in, man. It's the morning time. I still don't got the steering wheel in. Huh? Because these bolts are bigger than the aftermarket ones that go on the aftermarket steering wheel. So I'm about to put that shit on tonight, bro. You know, just keep watching. It's gonna be on there, man. We're gonna get it together. All right. Peace. It's your boy Rich CP3, man. The steering wheel's in. Yes, sir.
My bitch and she got all kind of shit.